They are just as illegal as they sound, so leave no witnesses. Pilots, you're going to steer the ship left and right. You're going to steer the ship up and down. Move controller forward to go down, move towards you to go up. Any questions? Good. Now, these are our living quarters here for the duration of the mission. No beds, no kitchen. We've spared every expense. Now, block the door to you. Code gray. White Chris. Code gray.
Come closer. Get closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all.
Why does it keep doing
might
it?
need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order trade shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
What will I do?
We're gonna pull some stuff into the ship.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise young ones. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
All right, team, backpacks on the floor in front of us. Seatbelts buckle from your hip closest to the wall. Over your lap into the middle aisle. Right, and then press those buttons.
Also, if you watch that, is it blue?
Right, engineer, repair next. If your flashing button.
Pull it in, baby.
It's better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, hold back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
Am I actually doing anything?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay, yep, got it.
Left pilot, get close. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Woo! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Now got it. Cargo free. Let the pilot brakes.
I don't have any brakes.
That could have been much worse.
You don't even have a license.
Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab go down. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something from Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
On the train.
Pilot, keep in the center.
Where's the train?
Do you see those big white rings? Push it down.
There we go. I got it.
Runners, shoot the train. I think I will let you tell the world. Oh, that's we've got to get out of here. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! hyperdrive is giant. Pilots, you're listening to us. We've got company. Chewie is right. If we leave them back, they may find the resistance. Did it. Watch out! I can't say. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. Woo! The First Order and made Chewie proud. Woo! Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Yikes. Yikes.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another run. Time for you to go.
We made it back.
Worry, the payment is on the way.
Make sure you got all of your cargo. We're gonna exit ahead to the left down to the hangar. I haven't trust him for payment though. I haven't seen him. Where are you?
Anymore?
All available trucks. We have a brilliant freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
Let's get out of here, baby.
That was cool.
Nice to fly.
Exactly what it is.
We made it alive.